Welcome, everybody. This is Frankie, the head of customer success at Eva e-commerce. Today, we will be talking about the analytics aspect of the platform. First stop is the daily sales. We know that in order to grow your business, in order to sell more on Amazon, you need to know that which products that you're selling most, which products that you need to replenish, or which products that you need to liquidate, right? So we will provide that information in this page. First, we will display you a bar chart, and each bar represents one day in the last 30 days. So if you hover your mouse over it, you will see some different time frames like 7 days, 14 days, 30 days, 60 days, or any custom date range in the last 60 days. So if you click one specific day, you will see the profit details and expense details. And if you also click the C button here, you will expand the selection and see even more details. And it's not over. If you click on that day and if you scroll down, you will see which products that you sold on that day with the sales information, units information, and average selling price information, and also the refund rate in the last 60 days for that specific product. And if you toggle this, you will be able to compare two different days, like let's say next week Tuesday, you can see that the difference between them, what was the price change, what was the unit change, and you can also always export this information to use for future purposes. And also, it's not over. If you click this product, for example, you will be redirected to SKU pricing and buybacks chart. I mean, this page is exclusively created for this product only, and we will display some analytics. Like for example, in the first chart, we will display what is the pricing actions for this specific product in the last 30 days, what was your orders in the last 30 days. Again, the default number is 30 days. What was your available units inventory levels for this specific product. And if you go to profit analytics, again, we will display the overall profit analytics for the last 30 days, including the advertising data also. Or if you click one specific day, we will display that day's data on the right side. Or if you think that you have some similar products you would like to compete with, you can always input that information here manually to decide whether you would like to be at while repricing or while competing with them. And that was it for the daily sales.